Hi, I'm Ananya Banerjee and today I've got for you something which will satisfy your sweet cravings, Mohan Bhog. First thing first, induction on and goes ghee. I will roast the Sooji or semolina in the ghee. I have to stir and mix it well till the Sooji is very aromatic and there is a light brown color. Whenever there's Sooji in the ghee roasting in the house, the whole house smells of a lovely aroma. So at this stage, it's not brown at all. It has a light creamish light color. It's nicely roasted. I'm going to take this out in a plate and start with the process. I'm going to boil some milk now with a patta, bay leaves, some cardamom powder and few strands of kesar. So the milk should come to a nice boil. I'm going to add some sugar. Now my milk has come to a roaring boil. I'm going to add the Sooji back in the milk. I have to wait till the Sooji thickens well and becomes the halwa consistency. When will I know that it's done? You will see that it is all coming together as one mass. And my Mohan Bhog is done, but one final flourish. Some raisins, which I have again fried it in ghee. I'm going to put that, and some cashews also fried in ghee. It's a rich recipe, but festival time you can indulge once in a while. Mohan Bhog for you.